I'm gonna show you the wrong and right way how to put your canopy back in the bag. I've been doing it the wrong way for years, and I'm gonna show you here. I'm gonna show you the way I've been doing it, which I've been struggling for years. This part right here is no problem. My problem was putting the cover back in the bag. So what I used to do, I used to get the cover and I just start stuffing it in the bag, which is the wrong way to do it. Doing it like this is not the right way. Maybe after the 4th or 5th try you might get it in, but as you see, I'm trying to stuff everything into this bag. I'm gonna try it again, zip it up a little bit, maybe a little bit at a time. And as you can see, I'm still having a problem with this, trying to stuff all that out. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna show you the right way to do this. First, you just get the corners and match the edges up together. It's better if you had 2 people, but I'm doing this myself. And you just fold it like you fold a cover. Put the edges together, and then you lay it down and just fold it once more like this. It only takes a few minutes. It'll save yourself a lot of time. And straighten it out and just start rolling it up like some carpet. And it'll save you a lot of time. Just roll it on up. Once you roll it up, just get your bag, zip it up a little bit. It doesn't matter which end you put in first. I'm gonna unzip it a little bit here, and I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna stuff it in a little bit there at the bottom. Once you stuff it in, that's it. Just straighten it out and zip it right up. And like I said, this probably only takes 2 or 3 minutes at the most. What usually takes me 5 or 10 minutes, this only takes 2-3 minutes. And that's all to it. And if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and you can also look in the description for other things you may need, some different parts. And again, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.